Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video. So Apple just came out with the new iPhone SE starting at $399. So here we go. You got a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, Touch ID, $399. Pre-orders begin 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 17th of April, and it's available on the 24th of April. 4K 30 FPS, then extended dynamic range, A13 Bionic, wireless charging, water and dust resistant, product red, silver, space gray, stereo recording. Simple stuff there. So let's press learn more and see what we can learn. There might be more stuff to learn. So we'll look at tech specs because we already looked at the overview. So black, white, product red, 64 gigs, 128 and 256. So here's just your simple size and weight. So height, width, and depth all right there. And here we go. So display is a 4.7-inch. People said that there was going to be like a bigger one, like a plus size model. They were wrong. That wasn't going to happen. Made no sense anyway. They should not have. So it's got a 4.7-inch display, 326 pixels per inch. So that's like 750p. It's not great, but I'm not going to complain. If its display is that's as good as the one on the 11, the regular 11, then you know what? Whatever. Let Apple do it. So it's got True Tone, wide color display, haptic touch, 625 nits of brightness, fingerprint resistant, coding, display zoom, rechargeability, of course. A13 Bionic chip, 3rd generation neural engine, rated IP67 water resistant, so not IP68, but that's good enough. So here is the camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, f1.8 aperture, digital zoom up to 5 times. So you can read that for yourself. It's got the portrait modes and everything. So 4K video at 24 FPS, 30 FPS, and 60 FPS, 1080p, HD video at 30 or 60, and 720 at 30. So simple stuff. I'm not going to read through all that. Front facing camera, 7 megapixel camera, f2.2, and only can film at 1080p and 30 FPS. I don't even use the front-facing camera on my iPhone 11 Pro, so it doesn't matter. So just your cellular and wireless stuff, and it's available on every carrier, and pretty much simple stuff. So here's just the layout of all the buttons and stuff. So if you have like an iPhone 8 or 7 or 6, it's going to pretty much be the same. Besides, you don't have a headphone jack. So the battery lasts about the same as the iPhone 8. Would have been interesting if they put something different, a new bigger battery, but it's okay. So it's got fast charging, so 50% charge in 30 minutes with an 18-watt adapter, which is sold separately, so it doesn't come with that. So wireless charging does work, and the Touch ID fingerprint sensor built into the home button, built-in app, simple stuff. So let's go to pricing. So you can get it starting at $229 actually if you have a trade-in and eligible trade-in, which the iPhone 11 Pro is the only one that's not available on that because I don't think anyone's going to actually be trading that in. So white, black, and space gray, or product red. Let's just select a random one. So 64 gigs for $399, 128 for $449, and 256 for $549. Available on all carriers. So pretty simple. So let's see what's in the box. So you get your 5-watt charger, your earbuds, and you get a lightning to USB. So pretty simple. These are the 4 phones on Apple's website now. The old iPhone 8 is officially gone and removed. So yeah, so this basically has the same stuff as the iPhone XR. It's just a new iPhone, and Apple removed the new logos from the 11 and 11 Pro, which is funny. Also, that's it for the iPhone stuff. Also, the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro is now available for order, and you can get it as soon as next week. So that pretty much is a wrap on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Catch you guys in the next one.